that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So we have one more story, you guys, and we're going to open up for questions. Aimee, I'm going to have you just take it away and share your story.
Okay.
You guys, if you don't think you have enough time, wait till you hear from Aimee. I'll let you take it away.
All right, guys, I am here to talk to all of you that are saying, I already work too much. I can't do something like this. If you are somebody that feels like you don't have enough time, I want to know who you are, because I'm talking to you. I was divorced, left with 3 kids to raise on my own. Single mom, 3 kids. When one job wasn't enough, very demanding one job, I got a second job. 2 jobs, 3 years straight, 18-hour days, raising kids on my own. But I got to the point where I was freaking burned out. And I was sick and tired of still struggling. So if you, my friend, are at that point in your life, you're sick of the struggle, you're burned out, and you're tired of not living your life, and you just want your time back with your family, this is absolutely for you. Because that's exactly where I was 15 months ago. Listen, I'm a little bit different. I don't know. Some people call me the unicorn of the community because I had all the cards stacked against me. But here's the deal. I wasn't even on social media. My daughter put me on TikTok so I could watch her dance. I didn't even know anything about social media, the online world, anything. And I came across Michelle. That was 15 months ago. Yes, I have earned multiple 6 figures. I have 10 active streams of income, all because of what I've learned inside of this community. It has far, far exceeded what I could ever make with those 2 jobs. I now work from home a few hours every day, and I am making up for that lost time. I know so many of us are sick of working for somebody else that don't appreciate us. We're sick of putting those jobs before our families to build their businesses and still struggle every single flippin' day. Enough is enough. And see, for me, I didn't even know this existed until 15 months ago, right? But my biggest concern is I wouldn't be able to know social media, learn about the online world, because I'm not tech savvy and I wasn't on social media. I didn't even know what the flippin' plus sign was on TikTok. That's how bad it was, right? But because of this community, I learned not only all about social media, but I learned how I could bring an income in that far exceeds working 18 hours a day. Far exceeds. I have averaged anywhere from 20 to 30,000 every single month. I could have never worked that much. I would have tried, but I could have never. I've got my family back. And like Daryl was saying, I just got home from sending my daughter off to college. I was able to pay for college. I was able to buy her an apartment that I never would have been able to do. Ever, ever, ever. She doesn't have to worry about anything because of this business. A year and a half ago, I cried myself to sleep every night because I was just trying to raise kids and pay the bills and have just a little bit extra. So I seen the statement earlier, it's not all about the money. No, it's not. It's about making memories. It's about getting that time back that you've lost with your families. That's what this is about. The money is just a byproduct. That's all it is. I can pay my bills. I've got extra. But the time is the most important thing. So today, I get to build my dreams. I get to travel. I get to help my children out more than I could have ever done that a year and a half ago. I am present not only for me in my life, but for my children. And I will never, ever miss another moment because of a job ever again. Ever.
Yes. I love that. So what would be your best advice for somebody working a full-time job, has family, has 55 million things going on? What is your best advice for them to get momentum with this so they can change their life?
Okay. Any spare minute that you have in your day, throughout your day, plug into a training. While you're driving, listen to a video. Listen to a Zoom. Everybody's got an extra 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. That's all I did. Wherever I could fit it in, only if it was 10 or 15 minutes, that's what I did. But please get on those Zooms. That's what they're there for, is to teach you all about social media, all about marketing, all about running your business. The automations will do their job, but it's your job to learn, to gain new skills, and we will give you that inside the community. You've got to be committed to it, and you've got to be consistent every single day. You show up for you. Yes.
Love that. Love that. So you ready to do just a little bit of Q&A? Okay. So you guys, if you have a question, you can raise your hand. Just go to the reaction and you can raise your hand. You do need to show your video because I like to look at you in the face when we answer your questions, and we'll do about 5 minutes of Q&A real quick here. So does anybody have any questions? And by the way, get back with the person that introduced you to this. You can, you received an email from them. Go to the very bottom of that email and there's a PS in there. You click on that PS, it will take them directly to their website. Scroll to the very bottom of that website. It shows you exactly what is in each program. It shows you exactly about the free bonuses you get. It shows you all 4 programs, and it shows you if they offer payment plans as well. So check it out and just reply to their email and ask them any questions, okay? So if you don't have any questions being on here, that's 100% okay. Reply to that email. They would love to answer their questions. So I guess we don't have any questions.
Yeah, but no faces, no hands, no nothing. So we good.
Awesome, everybody. Thank you guys for joining us. Have an awesome day. Again, get back with the person that introduced you. Thanks everybody for sharing. It's so inspiring seeing everyday people being able to turn their life completely around. Thanks everybody. Bye. Thank you.